Here is how to split screen on your Android phone. This allows you to use two apps at the same time, either in portrait or landscape mode. So first you need to open the first app you want to use. For example, let's go ahead and open the settings application. Rotate your phone to the orientation you prefer, portrait or landscape. Then tap on the three lines to see your open apps. The three lines might be in the top right or the bottom right corner according to your device, depending on how your phone is rotated. Now find the icon of the app you want to split screen. Here you'll get four different options of app info: open in split screen view, open in pop-up view, and keep open. Go ahead and choose open in split screen view. Now select the second app you want to use. For example, you choose YouTube. You'll now see both apps on your screen. When you're finished, you can close the apps. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.